Assalamualaikum everyone. Ayan, welcome to White Chat. Ayan, good morning sa inyong lahat. Isang mapagpalang araw na naman po ang sumaating lahat mula kay Allah. Pagpalain po sana tayo parating niya at gabayan sa araw-araw. Ayan, welcome na naman po sa munting vlog ng lola nyo. Ayan, I'm here and my work. And Laban Street, dito po sa Riyadh. Ayan, if you want to come for massage, relaxing Swedish, stone massage, facial, hammam, and hair color, botox, nail adapter, hair routine, manicure, pedicure, tisgir, hawajib, foot spa, and hair makeup, stiswar, Gaza Trab. Welcome here. And Laban Street, here in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Okay guys, mga ma'am, chi. Yan. This is my salon here in the Laban Street. Ayan, guys, starting na po ng paglilinis. Ayan, guys. Okay? Ayan, kakat ko muna po ang aking munting vlog. Ayan. Ito po yung aming salon. Ayan, ito po yung aming foot spa. Dito po napesto ang mga pinufoot spa namin. Then, ito po yung aking chair. Kapag po ako'y nagugupit, naghahawajib, nagtitiskir, tapos nag-hair color, routine, hair botox, and hot oil. Yan guys. Welcome to White Chat Beauty Salon. Thank you guys.